Christmas is you. Spend the day. Spend the day with me as we learn how to drive in Lagos, Nigeria. As a 26-year-old, please don't say Akbaya because I'm learning how to drive for the first time. Yeah, as you can guess, the car is not moving at the moment. I'm waiting for my instructor so that we can go. Of course I can drive. He took the key. Okay, it's here. They'll be afraid of me at this point. If you leave the key, she's also going to drive and bash the car. But yeah, while I gist you guys about life in general and things that has been going on, my first ever driving lessons was by my friend Olamide. I was jokingly playing with him that I can drive, and so sorry, I have to go back. So yeah, as I was saying, I was joking with him that I could drive and I should give me the car keys, and he said okay, have it. I'm like, yo, are you serious? He said yes. I've been wanting to learn how to drive. All right, my lovelies, pardon me, I don't know, like I'm trying to look for a very interesting place to put the camera, but nowhere is going. Anyway, so back to the story I was telling you about learning how to drive. So he gave me his car keys and I was like, yo, are you serious? I haven't driven anything in my life. The closest thing that I've done to driving is a video game, and every time I do the video game I'm always jeering, of course, tumbling the car and driving into lanes that are not supposed to be driven into, breaking things on the road and whatnot. So are you sure that you really want to give me your car keys? And I was like, yeah, I'll just take you to it. And so I drove like for a considerable long amount of time and I loved it. I felt in control. I felt empowered. I felt like, yo, what, I need to be driving. So I decided to take my driving lessons or my driving goals serious. Shout out to the person that is teaching me now. Currently waiting, although I've done back, go front, go back. When Olamide was teaching me how to drive, it was more fun because although he was shouting by the passenger seat, slow go slow, you're too fast, then watch, wait, pause. I felt like I was a pro driving his car. But this one is go back, go front, go back, go front. And yeah, anyway, it's Sunday today and I'm just trying to see how I can make the most of Sunday. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We're learning how to drive today, and yeah, stay tuned for all the amazing. There's no tripod in the car. If not, I would have positioned it, but he said learn how to drive first before you do paparazzi. But it's just I wanted you guys to come along with me and just kind of like see what is happening, see how everything is going, see how everything is going. Life has been good to me, you guys. Apart from the driving lessons, I just feel like I should use this as a mini life update. Life has been good to me on a more interesting note. Life has been really good to me. I have been blessed, or it's a blessing for me, and I've been experiencing blessings. I'm admiring my skin. When people say, what do I use on my skin? I usually tell them that nothing out of the ordinary. I don't use organics. but I typically gravitate towards using baby care products because I feel like if a child can use it, then it's definitely gentle on my own skin. Yeah. Also, I've been trying to use moisturizers on my face. I usually am the kind of person that doesn't give to, I don't care about my skin as much, in that I'm not always, oh, what's the next thing I can use to make my skin look like a glass skin. I don't really do that. But I realized that taking care of your skin, even though you have it skin, that's what I believe, that I have the skin. It doesn't matter what my face is going through at the moment, pimples, puberty, whatever, it will bounce back. It's only temporal. So I feel like I have that kind of skin, you know, that kind of skin that is just lush. And I cannot tell you what the secret is. I don't know, genetics. My mom has great skin as well. So I can't tell you what the secret is, but I don't bleach my skin. I am anti-bleach. I don't like it. I don't like it because I feel like in the long run it weakens your skin, and that so if I hit my hand somewhere and I have like a wound, it won't heal very fast because, you know, the skin is not, I will not be able to tell you much about your skin that will be helpful to you, but I can, however, tell you that you're beautiful. That's what I can tell you. You're beautiful. I know I am. And so are you, beautiful child. So if your skin is a problem, you know, you work on it with an esthetician. Is that the name they call them? Estheticians. Skin estheticians, right? You work on it with an esthetician and you get it sorted. But regardless, you're beautiful, and nothing should tell you otherwise. Okay, this pep talk is a lot. The kind of blessings that you are hoping to get. Universe, send me a car. God, I need a car. SUV, Lexus, Prada, whatever the kind, Nissan, or a Toyota Elantra, Hyundai Elantra, whatever the type of car that you want, you gotta be ready for it. You gotta be prepped for it. So this is your sign to go and learn how to drive.